Welcome to another video of my playlist Control the Web with Selenium and C#. Today I show you how you can cover a file download. We keep it simple and clean. So let's go. We use this website here. You already know it from some of my other videos. Here it is possible to use a variety of different web elements for tests with Selenium. Among other things, also a file download. We will use one from this download links for our example. In order not to worry about the complete initialization of the Chrome driver and the setup every time, we use the result from the perfect Chrome driver initialization video that is already in my channel as a starting point for this video. I have linked it in the description. So if you are still looking for a perfect way to initialize Selenium WebDriver and want to have a start point with which you can automate any website, please check the video. The complete website initialization is already implemented in the already known project. As a visualization, you can see a picture box that shows a green traffic light after the website is completely loaded and thus ready for us to automate. As an additional trigger, we load the page source into a text box at this point. For our file download, we still need a few settings. We can easily add these to the existing Chrome options. It gives us, for example, the option to specify the download location of the file. That is already all. Now we have to add another button to our layout which we will use as a trigger for the download and change the web address. Then all the preparations are finished and we can start with the actual file download code in the event handler of our button. First step is to get the needed download link and trigger it with a click on the element. That's in this case already all. The file will start downloading to our location that we set in the Chrome options. But as an additional feature, we will create a method that gives us an information when the file download is successful and finished. To get the needed identifier, we can use the link text of any file that we see in the list on the website. To open the view from the Chrome Dev Tools like you see here, just make a right click at any place of the web page and click on Inspect in the context menu. Also possible to use F12. That's in general already the code. But to get notified when the download is finished, we create something on our own. This is in special for bigger files helpful, or if you want to deal with a file after downloading. We use here a simple while loop to check if the file already exists in the download location. If yes, we get a true as a return value in our method and finish the loop. We can use also a timeout to prevent endless loops. Feel free to change this to your needs. I am pretty sure there are several other options to do this. If you have a better or different one, just let me know in the comments. So let's check if everything works like expected. First we will check it in visible mode and then we will check it also in hidden mode. Looks good. Feel free to use this idea or code into your tools. This is only an example and there are always more ways to reach your goals. So keep interested and try your own ideas and ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am always happy for a comment or wish for further content on my channel. You have now a good knowledge about web automation. But of course there is many more to learn in the topic control the web using C# and Selenium. Don't miss any further content on this channel, or let me know your next wish. I am happy to guide you through this journey and share my knowledge with you. There are also a wide range of other content on my channel that could help you on your way to a developer in all directions. So check it out. The most important thing is always to enjoy what you do.